Zip!
Anong problema mo, Iha? At nagkakaganyan ka? Starting today, consider yourself expelled. You are done.
Good riddance, Parasite! Finally out of this school and our lives.
Bakit yung babaeng yun ang kinakampihan mo?
Because I am cleaning up your mess!
My mess? Or because she is also your mess? Zeph will never be my sister.
Make sure you keep your mouth shut about it. Dahil hindi pa niya dapat malaman ang lahat. Because if you don't, everything that you enjoy, I will take from you.
Vivi, please, sabihin mo na yung totoo.
Bibi, let's go. Walang biya ka? Tawag mo na! Ganun ba talaga ang laki kasalanan namin sa'yo? Tawag mo na! Kung ayaw mo na sa amin, hindi na namin ipipilit pa.
Josh, pwede ba ako humingi ng favor sa'yo?
What is it?
Chef! Pwede bang tigilan mo na yung mga transfers?
I think it would be a great idea if Seth moves in with us.
No.
At kailan ka pa naging ulirang ama?
Siyempre, kailangan maging mabait ako. I have to earn her trust. That way, mas madali ko siya makokontrol.